Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Almira Harvitaputri and my partner
Kanza Amalia Putri.
We are from SEMESTA High School Semarang.
Today we will present our project for ISPO. The title is Testing Hydrogel Best Plant Makronutrien Utilizing Rhizobium Bacteria and Coffee Ground as Fertilizer and Remediation.
In Indonesian, entitled Uji Makronutrien Pestisida Nabati Berbasis Hydrogel dengan memanfaatkan bakteri Rhizobium Kacang Tanah dan Ampas Kopi sebagai media penyubur dan remediasi tanah.
Indonesia is known as one of the largest coffee producers in the world. In addition, the production of peanuts is also quite significant. However, do you know that coffee grounds and groundnuts have incredible benefits? In this video, we will discuss the potential benefits, challenges, and innovations related to coffee and groundnuts in Indonesia.
Indonesia is the fourth largest coffee exporter in the world. Total national coffee production reached 789,233 tons in 2024, which increased coffee shops and coffee grounds waste. The direct consumption volume of groundnuts in 2020 reached 721,000 tons. Soil problems in Indonesia are caused by chemical pollution from excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides. Coffee ground have a great benefit because it contains nitrogen, phosphor, kalium, and 6.2 pH. And groundnut nodules have a benefit containing ammonium, ammonia, nitrites, nitrates.
In an effort to overcome coffee and peanut waste and improve soil fertility in Indonesia, our research aim is to first make innovations to overcome coffee and peanut waste in Indonesia by making hydrogel-based plant pesticide micronutrients by utilizing Rhizobium bacteria. The second is to test the effectiveness of Rhizobium substances on peanut roots and nitrogen content in coffee grounds. And the third one is to test the effectiveness of nitrogen content in coffee grounds when used as a soil fertilizer and remediation media. Through this research, we hope to find environmentally friendly solution that supports sustainable agriculture and reduce soil pollution due to excessive chemicals.
In this study, we use precipitation and composting methods to extract Rhizobium compounds from peanut roots as well as nitrogen in coffee grounds. First, we have to prepare the materials that we need. The materials that we need are Rhizobium, coffee grounds, distilled water, and molasses and EM4. First, prepare Rhizobium. Second, weigh the ingredients. Third, mix the ingredients. And the next step is add water and add EM4. And the last one is to ferment them. The last step is the process of absorbing fertilizers into hydrogels to make hydrogel-based fertilizers. First, prepare for the materials and tools. Second, weigh the ingredients. Third, dissolve the hydrogel solution. Fourth, prepare for printing hydrogel. Next, put the hydrogel in oil. And the last one is infuse fertilizer in hydrogel.
The next process is to test the macronutrients of Rhizobium peanut fertilizer and coffee grounds using spectrophotometry limited to calcium and sulfur by extracting total macronutrients while total nitrogen used the Kejedah method.
The research took place from October 2024 to January 2025. The testing process was carried out at Laboratorium Penguji Balai Penerapan Standar Instrumen Pertanian Jawa Tengah and Laboratorium SMA SEMESTA Semarang. From the research results, we obtained the micronutrient content in hydrogel-based liquid fertilizer as follows: nitrogen total 0.03%, calcium 1.37%, and sulfur 4.95%. From this data, it can be seen that hydrogel-based liquid fertilizers have a fairly high calcium and sulfur content, which play an important role in improving soil quality and plant growth. Hydrogel-based liquid fertilizer has a high sulfur and calcium content, which plays an important role in improving soil quality. Nitrogen has values lower than the quality standards. This happens because the complete heating process in making fertilizer causes a decrease in the content in Rhizobium. However, this does not affect the results for soil fertilizer, because the results of micronutrient test on hydrogel-based fertilizers have too high micronutrient values, which is sulfur and calcium, so that this is optimal for remediating soil.
From the results of this study, it can be concluded that the content of sulfur 4.95% and calcium 1.37% in the fertilizer is higher than the fertilizer quality standard in Indonesia. Sulfur plays an important role in soil fertility by lowering the pH of alkaline soils. Calcium helps improve soil structure, neutralize acidity, increase nutrient absorption, and reduce the effects of metal poisoning, such as aluminum and manganese. We recommend that the process of making fertilizer does not go through heating, because heating can damage organic matter, including beneficial microorganisms such as Rhizobium, which play a role in increasing the availability of nutrients for plants. With a method that is more friendly to organic matter, it is hoped that the fertilizer can maintain its nutritional content optimally.
With this research, it is hoped that this method can be an innovative solution in sustainable agriculture, reduce organic waste, and increase soil productivity.
Let's support a greener and environmentally friendly and agricultural together. Thank you for your attention.
Hopefully, the results of this research will benefit the world of agriculture and the environment.
See you in the next research. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.